Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty and Bank Nifty will move on Monday, what strategy we need to apply and what we can expect from the market. Friends, if you see today's market, like it was a very big gap up and the gap up has sustained, and first 5 minutes candle, if you notice, like there is a single prints. So single prints indicates like the buyer is very much aggressive, as you can notice here. 259,000 contracts has been lifted, 156,000 contracts, 108,000 contracts has been lifted. That means the buyer is very much happy to lift the market at higher and higher prices. And there was a little bit of a pullback in the market, and it was a one-side rally. And later, from like after 10:30 and 10:45, it was completely a sideways market, and there was a much of a volatility. Though why this sideways has happened, the reason behind for the sideways is like someone is sitting and is accumulating. He wants someone to sell for him, and he's just buying from them. So whoever is selling for him, he is just keep on buying, and there was a little bit of volatility after 12:30, and the market came to trigger the stop losses, and later it has bounced back to the all the way to the higher point. So net to net, like a good amount of a buying has happened in the market. As you can notice, very good amount of a buying has taken place. You can notice the buyer was dominating the market and he was holding the price at a higher and higher price. So if you look into the structural format, nothing much to say. Like first half an hour, there was a rally on one side. It was a one-side momentum, and later there was a consolidation. I wouldn't say consolidation; it is an accumulation. And Monday we might see a auctioning at a higher levels. So what we have to do, like on Monday's market, the market is very simple. If the market is opening flat and if it is crossing 16,710, we'll be looking to buy the market, and first target should be like 16,800, and next target should be like 16,900. Because the people who are short here, they'll be covering their positions and market will propel at a higher levels. So we'll be looking to sell the market only below these levels. Up until then, we won't be looking to sell the market. As at a short term trend, the market is looking uptrend, we might be looking to buy the market. So it will be like buy on dips market for at least for some time. You might be saying like there is a war is going on. Yes, everyone can see the war, but most people don't understand the logic behind why the markets are still rallying. It doesn't impact much on the stock market because there are not too many sanctions on the Russia, and the stock market feels like this is not going to impact way big into the stock market. So we might see a little bit of a rally at a higher levels. So will be targeting up until 17,000 will be a target. After 17,000 it crosses decisively, we'll be looking to see like 17,200 and 17,500 levels. So up until here we'll be looking to buy, and we'll be targeting like buy on dip strategy itself. We won't be selling the market aggressively. Yes, aggressively we'll be selling only below 16,500 itself. Let's see the bank nifty and what we have discussed on the bank nifty, because usually in the bank nifty I trade much. I prefer to trade bank nifty because bank nifty is it moves bloody very fast. I love the momentum. I am not a like sitting duck, sitting from morning till evening. Some stupid people like they be sitting from morning till evening, and they trade like stupid trades. They take some stupid trades like the reversal momentums, and some will be taking high risk trades, and some people will be trading at a volatility trades, which I don't prefer. I prefer mainly the momentum itself. So if you look into today's bank nifty chart, but today's bank nifty chart is very much bullish, as you can notice here. Due to some technical reason, technical reason, my order flow has been not updated. So I would say if you notice today's bank nifty chart, it was very much bullish as we opened a very big gap up, and the gap up got sustained, and there was a pullback somewhere here. I don't think like somewhere here. Just a second. Yes, somewhere here I said you to buy the call options, and I said you to the target will be like 650 to 700. So we achieved our target, and even above 700 it went all the way to the 900, and later it went into sideways mode. So later what happened, somewhere at this point I saw like once the price got rejected here, Second time the price got rejected here, and third time the price got rejected here. I thought like the market might come down to flush and we might have a little bit of a profit booking to the downside. But what it has happened is like there was too much of volatility, and somewhere like after 2:30 we had a breakdown. Here we captured this move, nearly 50-60 points we captured the move, and later after 2:30 we have seen like there was a little bit of selling, and I wouldn't say this is a selling. As you can notice here, this candle was a selling. You can notice too much of a stops got triggered. The people who know sold aggressively, their stops got triggered, and later market has bounced all the way to the same position itself. And if you look into the structural format into the bank nifty, the same thing somewhere here I said you to buy the call options, and I was expecting at least 36,300 this swing, but market went all the way to this, and it even crossed this swing. So it was I was expecting 700, but our target reached to, I said you to buy at 520, just 20 rupees of a stop loss, and we got nearly like 1:4 or 5 risk reward here. I didn't wanted to trade here, but still the people, they were asking for me, sir, give one trade because we missed this trade. See, if you want to be successful or if you want to make the money, you have to be serious in the stock market, and you have to sit in the morning 9:15. You have to come and sit in your office. Not like you are coming at 10 o'clock or 10:30 and you are asking for a trade. No, that doesn't work, because at the morning time there will be a lot of liquidity. All the banks will be open, all the institutions will be open, everyone wants to buy and sell, so there will be a lot of volatility, and with that the market will be either on a trending or it will be in a volatile market. So this, we can scalp the market and we can make a good profits. So please come and sit early in the morning so that you can make this trade. As you can notice, entire day there was completely a volatile market. Nothing was going on. Absolutely nothing was going on. But when the people were, they were asking for me, I gave you to buy the put options here. Once I said you to buy here. Later I said you to exit because I was noticing nothing was going on. We exited at a cost, and later I saw like it was the flush was coming down, and we took this momentum and we made a profit of 50-60 points. And apart from that, there was another move here. Apart from that, nothing, no, absolutely there was no momentum. The people who now missed this momentum, they would have not made the profit, they would have lost the money today. The one who made yesterday, they would have lost the money today. So what we have to do for tomorrow's market? You can notice there is a Poland flag. I wouldn't say Poland flag because the market is in a range. So once the range breaks out, so we'll be looking to buy the market above 36,600. If the market opens flat and if it crosses 36,600, we'll be definitely looking to buy the market, and first target should be like 37,000. And if 37,000 crosses decisively, we'll be looking to see like 37,500. 37,100, 200 will also be there, because sometimes 37,100 also it goes and someone will provide the liquidity at 37,100 and it will flush down. So first target should be like 37,000 levels itself. Not me, everyone can see this is a bull flag. You might be wondering like, sir, Ukraine war is going on. Not only you, big institution players, they are saying the war is there. The war will be for a time being. It is the war between Ukraine and Russia, nothing else. But for the short term trend, the market is uptrend itself. So better you keep buying on buy on dip strategy. So I'll be coming up with some learning videos as well at weekends. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. And one more thing, like if you are trying to sell the market, you have to go below 35,900 itself. Up until then, you have to be a buy on dip strategy itself. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much.